Alright, hello everyone, my name is Ergi Wian Septiandiko. In today's video, I would like to present to you Semantics Unit 16 about dictionaries. Before we start, let us go to the intro of this material. A dictionary is a central part of the description of any language. A good ordinary dictionary usually gives at least three kinds of informations, and these information are phonological information. It is about how the word is pronounced, and then grammatical information. There are syntactical and morphological, which is about its part of speech and inflection. And then semantic information, it is about the word's meaning. For example, you can see for the word run, the word between the slash mark, which is in red color, run is the phonological information. And then the word in dark gray color, the word in the bracket, which is verb, it contains grammatical information. And then the rest of the sentence, which is written in gray color, contains semantic information. Alright, for this material, I'll try to make an outline, and then I have divided this material into three main parts. The first is about interconnection in dictionary, and the second is about hyponym and hypernym, and the third is about dictionary versus encyclopedia. Alright, let's go to the first part. Interconnection in dictionary. A dictionary tells you what words mean. In other words, it gives you the definition of a word. The first point to note about all dictionaries is that their definitions are necessarily interconnected. For example, you can see the picture over here. So you can see that women connected with female. Woman is a female and man is male. And the word sex can be both male and female is a sex, and male also a sex. Woman is not male and man is not female, but all of this word is interconnected by the word sex. This interconnectedness of dictionary definition is unavoidable and indeed desirable. Clearly, the sample shows a high degree of circularity. In the kind of dictionary that a semanticist would propose as part of the semantic description of a language, there would be the same interconnectedness between the definition of various predicates, because the semantic dictionary writer's main interest is in representing as completely as possible the knowledge a native speaker has about all the sense relation between predicates. And one cannot define absolutely everything without a degree of circularity in one's definition. On the other hand, semanticists are more inclined than the ordinary dictionary writer to leave some terms undefined, and these undefined terms are called semantic primes. Alright, we move to the next part. It is about hyponym and hypernym. Hyponym is a word or phrase whose semantic field is included within that of another word, its hyperonym, or we call it as hypernym. Semanticists aim to describe the sense relation between predicates as they understand them in their own everyday language. For example, you can see And the explanation is the words in the bracket. So you may know that the word bird and mammal are both the hyponyms of the animal, of the word animal, and the word animal is the hypernym. And it is the same with the word male and female are both the hyponym of human, the word human, and the word human is the hypernym. Yeah, just as simple like that. So we move to the part 3. It is about dictionary versus encyclopedia. Semanticists often made the assumption that non-linguistic facts are not particularly relevant to the study of linguistic meaning. That is, the meaning conveyed by the sense relation of the words within the language itself, as opposed to meaning conveyed by information from the context or situation which the language is used. Therefore, they attempt to make a strict demarcation between a dictionary and an encyclopedia. Dictionary describes the sense of predicates, while encyclopedia contains factual information of a variety of types, but generally no information specifically on the meanings of words. I'm sorry. From a traditional point of view, the descriptive semanticist is basically interested in that information about words which can give rise to sentences containing them being either analytic. For example, the walrus is an animal, or its contradiction, the walrus is not animal. Any other information is not strictly semantic, but encyclopedic, at least under the assumption that such a distinction can indeed be made. Alright, I think that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have made some mistakes, and thanks for your attention. I hope this is useful. This will be useful for you, all of you, and see you.